Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us once again for our online session. Today we are looking at question formation, how to form questions in English. We started it in our previous video, and then we continue with it today. Let's review the different types of questions that we have in English. We have the yes or no question, we have the WH questions, we have the choice questions, tag questions, and embedded questions. Last week we talked about the yes or no questions, and today we want to see if you can handle the WH questions. So if we talk about WH questions, what do we mean by that? Okay, WH questions begin with the WH words. So these are the sum of the words: what, where, when, who, why, how. We may have which, we may have whose, etc. But these are some of the common ones. So if you are talking about WH questions, it means that the question begins with what, or where, or when, who, why, how. So if they ask you what are WH question words, these are the WH question words. Okay, we have some examples here, but you want to look at when do we use each of the WH words to form the question. When, at what moment do we do that? The first one, where. We use where if you want to ask about place. Okay, if you want to ask about place. So where is Aya? Okay, the place, she's at home. Okay, and when we use this one, when, it means we want to know the time, okay, or the dates of an activity, or of an activity. So we use when to ask about times and dates. Example, when will Selena phone? When will she phone? At 3 o'clock. When are you traveling? Date. Okay, so for dates and time we use when. Why? We use why if we want to know the reason for an activity. Okay, why an activity is done. So the reason. Okay, we have an example here. Why is she eating sandwich? Because there is no homemade food. Okay, so why, if you want to know the reason for something. Then how is used if you want to know the way something is done. In what way? Okay, the way something is done, the procedure, the process, how the thing is done. So how did he get to Tema? He got there by taxi, he went there by taxi. Okay, how is also used to ask about our health or our welfare. So you say, how are you? Okay, I'm fine, thanks. How do you do? How is the family? How is it? How is it going? How is used to ask also about our welfare. Our health is used to ask about how things are done, in what way the thing is done. The next one is who. Now we use who when we want to ask about people or person. Okay, we want to know the person or the people who perform a certain action or perform a certain activity. So who are you going to visit? I'm visiting my family. I'm going to visit my family. Who did he invite to the party? The person is what? He invited the vice president to his party. Okay, so that is who. And what or which are also used to ask about things generally, about things generally. So what film, okay, what film did you watch at the cinema? Which newspaper do you want, the graphics or the daily? Okay, now what's the difference between what and which? Not much, but what is normally used when there are many possible answers to the question. What does he do? Is he a teacher, a nurse, a pilot, an engineer? So what? Okay, but we use which when we have a limited number of possibilities. So which color do you like, black or white? Limited possibilities. So basically that's the those are the question words, okay, and the questions that we use them to ask. Now let's look at their structure in grammar, how or their position in the question. Generally, question words come at the beginning of the question. So we have the question word plus the verb to be plus the subject. That is one of the ways. Question word plus the verb to be plus the subject. Okay, where are they? Sometimes it may not be only the verb to be. We may have other auxiliaries like will, can, must, could, should. Okay, in that situation or in those situations also, we still use the question word first plus the auxiliary verb. Remember, the first verb after the question word is the auxiliary verb. It can be are, it can be will, it can be is, it can be can, etc. Okay, then followed by the subjects. Then we may have the main verb. Okay, so why are they dancing? Okay, how will she get home? When will Anne call? Okay, basically those are the question structures. Now let's look at the last question structure. WH questions with present or past simple verbs. So if you are forming questions in the present simple, we introduce the auxiliary do or does, okay, depending on the person, and then we may use did if it's in the past, and then the subject follows with the main verb. So why did she call the ambulance? Where do they go to school? When did Anne arrive? So the auxiliary plus the subjects plus the main verb. Okay, so always you can see that we have our WH question word at the beginning of the question. Okay, so this is what I want to introduce to you, and I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Continue to like and subscribe to our videos.